Are you struggling with a cough that just won't bugger off? Then this could be the plant that your body's searching for. The beautiful and bodacious Germander speedwell. The speedwells are named after their ability to provide you a speedy recovery. It's an expectorant which helps clear the mucus out of your lungs and airways. The key ID feature for this plant are the line of hairs that grow on opposite sides of the stem, and its beautiful purple to blue flowers. It's not too fussy where it grows, you'll find it all over the place. Turning it into tea is the easiest way to receive its benefits. Simply let it steep in some boiling water for at least 20 minutes. And it's as simple as that. I wish you a speedy recovery. Follow for knowledge.